Okay, here we are, the start of Bird Keys. I don't know if you can see Wendell back there. I'm going to try to tighten it up. He's fishing under some docks. I'm on an oyster bed right here. It's pretty shallow. I'll just do a pan. There's South Sarasota. We're leading into Casey Key. And these islands you see here are Bird Keys. And what we're going to do is swing through here and then head down, and we're camping way down there, so we're almost there. It should be about 1 o'clock, maybe more towards 2. See if we can get some mullet to jump in for the camera. Okay.